VLOGMAS Day 7? Is it, B? I know you've got my phone, my little rabbit. But what is the actual date? Should we find? Yeah, yes, Day 7. Oh my goodness. Hello, gorgeous. So you will notice that B has my phone at the moment. I have decided to not make it a forbidden fruit, and she can just play with it when she wants, but she gets bored of it really quickly. She puts it in her mouth and then she's like, oh, no, it's fine. So that's all good, isn't it, baby? You have such fluffy hair. She is like a little fluffy duckling at the moment. She's got little fluffy hair. Yes. But we actually had a very good night, baby. You slept for 10 hours. Yes, you did. I'm so thankful. So she slept from 7:30 all the way through to, well, actually about 7:45 until about 5:45, which was absolutely no problem at all, because we then had a bottle and a cuddle with Daddy as well, because he was here this morning, and we went back to sleep at about 7 until about 9. So I'm just sticking with this whole she likes a morning lion, because I love a morning lion, and at the moment it's working really well for us. I'm not really tired in the morning, and B seems to really want that sleep, so she is really coldy, and I think that's part of it, that she just wants to kind of sleep her cold off. Are you still nibbling on my phone? Yeah. But anyway, Daddy's gone now, even though it's a Saturday, which is such a shame, but he has to work today. He's got a school concert. Well, it's like a Christmas fair. He had a school concert last week. Yeah, this is a Christmas fair, and we're going to go to it. We're going to go and see Daddy's choir. Yeah. So we're going to go at about lunchtime, and I think now it's just breakfast time for you, and then we'll be out and about. So I want to wear something really Christmassy today, and you are going to wear your Christmas outfit. Yay! I feel like today is going to get the festiveness is going to start, yeah, we've got other more festive things planned for the weekend as well, and we're going down to my folks for tonight, and Steve and I might have a bit of a date night. Yeah, we'll leave you with your nonny and Papa, and we'll go off and have some, we're going to go to the cinema, I think. But yeah, so that's all good, and I hope you're all well, and we will see. The hair pulling is so painful. We'll see you in a bit. Say bye, baby. Bye bye. Hello everyone, have you had a nice breakfast? You having your water? So she had bits of toast with prune, oats and yogurt, and that went down really well, didn't it, baby? And then Post has just arrived, and I don't know if you guys know Glasses Direct or anything, but these, I ordered them like 4 days ago and they've already arrived. They're my lens, they're my prescription lenses, and I've gone for, I'm quite excited about these. I put them in the home trial and tried them on first. These guys as sunglasses. Woo! They're so cool. Oh, these weren't in the home trial, so I'm getting confused. I haven't tried those on. They are a surprise. It was an incredibly cheap Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal, and both of these pairs were like £40 altogether. Amazing. And then these guys I did put in the home trial, and I'm so excited about them. They're kind of like bluey, but you can't really see that in this light. Can you kind of see? No, you can't. But they're super cool, so should I try them on and see what you think? Alright, sunglasses. Cool, huh? I like them. I've already looked in the mirror, by the way. I wasn't going to, to not look in the mirror first. But yeah, I love all the colours. They're so cool. Yeah, I'm happy with them. I think they'll go quite well with like hats and berets and stuff as well, which I will be wearing a lot of in the winter. And then Steve just came home because he forgot something, and I was wearing these. He was like, oh, right, they'll take some getting used to, but I like them. I think they're really cool. So there you go, those are my new glasses. You'll probably, I'm gonna maybe keep these on, I think. Did you find that funny? B thinks it's funny that I might keep them on. Why do you think that's funny? Oh no, you're laughing at Hobbsy. What's Hobbsy doing? Is he? He's going, yeah! Oh, she's getting a bit frustrated. She wants to play. Okay, we will play. Not with the water bottle. It's about to go on the floor. Uh-oh. Someone is very overexcited. So we're choosing your Christmas outfit today, baby. We've got Christmas socks. We've got Christmas tights. We've got Christmas jumpers. Ooh. What should we put you in? You've got a big long mummy hair on you. Ah. You think, okay, she has chosen the tights. That is a good choice. Okay, right, so we're going for Christmas tights. And anything else over here, Bee? Oh, Christmas jumper. Good. Oh, she's good at this. So I think we're going to go for those tights and that Christmas jumper with either dungarees or a leggings. Yay! Are you happy about that, Phoebe? Are you happy about that? Are you happy about that? Also, just for the eager-eyed of you that are like, I thought she did reusable nappies. We do at night time and the day if we're here, but if we're out and about, we've only got 6, so the rotation is not what I want it to be. But I've put it on the Christmas list, so I'm hoping all my family are going to get her nappies because we want about 20 and then we will be fully reusable. Yay! Okay guys, I'm wearing a festive jumper from Bowden and a skirt that I made, Madeline skirt, and I'm trying to choose, are you going to help me choose, baby? A beret to go with it. So I'm thinking, I've got quite a colourful coat as well, so I'm thinking I might do the sandy pink. Sandy pink? Is that a thing? I don't know, but that. I was going to go bright pink, but actually I think that might be enough colour. Or I could even like go a bit more demure and go for a sandy colour. So okay, I'll try on and see what we think. Okay, trying it with the coat on, I mean this is a lot of colour. I like it, but I know a lot of people won't. So what do we think? Pink? I love the way I ask you these questions when I'm going to be uploading this probably in a couple of days, so it'll be way too late for you to help me decide. But anyway, I think pink. I'm going to try on a couple more and we'll see. Blue's good. I always go for blue. These are my new glasses, they're so cool. Oh, Hobbsy. I actually think this might be the winner because it's kind of like minus colour, so it kind of dulls it down a little bit. I think I like that. I don't think I've ever worn this hat ever before. So should I take it for its first outing? Yeah. Alright my darling, we are at Stephen's School's Christmas fair. It's very, very, very busy. In fact, we kind of went through that way and then we gave up and we've just come back and sat here because that's where the choir is going to sing.
So, what have we got here, darling?
We're at Mum's and Dad's house and they've got mince pies and blue cheese.
Oh yes.
Woo! Christmas has officially begun, my darling. And you have food.
Mince pies and blue cheese are the best. They also, can I quickly show everyone their Christmas tree?
Yeah, please.
Oh, hang on, here's our...
Christmas
Look at that wedge of blue cheese. And then in here we have, what's the Christmas tree called? Is it Ernie? Ernie the Christmas tree.
He's like, "Oi, Phoebe."
Oh, isn't he a little beauty? With decorations from, I think, Fortnum & Mason's that Gabby buys her mum one every year. We particularly like this one of the cat with the antlers. It's a lovely little tree. And very Christmassy in this nice red Christmassy room. Anyway, I'm going to stop filming because I want one mince pie.
Well, Bee's having a very special bedtime because she's got Bupper in there too. She's just having her bedclothes on. Hobbs is here. Everyone's here for Bee's bedtime.
Yeah.
She's got a bottle ready to go.
And this one, you ready? You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yep.
You're super quick. And then lift yourself up. Good.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice big one.
Well done, gorgeous. We just went on a date now. We went to see Knives Out at the cinema. It was amazing.
I really enjoyed it. It's fantastic.
So good. And now we're just walking back along the park to see our sleeping beautifully daughter. That
You should
makes...
show them the bridge.
Okay, we'll show you the bridge because that's better than us. There we go. There's Albert Bridge. There is quite a lot going on around here. There's a big party. There's life going on past our bedtime. Stephen, did you fall asleep at the cinema?
No.
He did, but I think I managed to save it by waking you up and not letting you miss too much. But yeah, so here we are. It's nearly midnight. It's so late.